He told me his septic goes through here, so, but there's still drain pipes here we gotta watch out for. I might just send them all kind of this way. That way the mess is all in one area. So this one will send out that way too. So I'll finally get to use the 660 and 362. So I think I'm gonna get away with no line in any of them except for, and I may not even need, I'm gonna try to go with no line in any of them except for these front ones. So yeah, the front ones will be the ones that I'll do last. I'm gonna get my saw, I'll come back here and start beating these things up. Well, we go with the 362, but I'll use the 660 eventually. I'm gonna try to put the other camera's right there. Probably put it there. And I just showed on that camera why I'm putting them there, so I'm sure I'll show that view at some point. Where do I want to put this? yard.